Last month, I made more commission from promoting a water filtration system than I did from the three different sexy tech products combined. And honestly, I almost don't promote it because it felt too boring. Here's the thing nobody tells you about affiliate marketing. The products what make you the most money and usually the ones that make you own when you first look at them. Today I am going to show you the boring products categories that are quickly generating massive commission and more importantly why they are convert so much better than the flashy stuff everyone else is chasing. Stick around because I will reveal my top 5 boring products categories, the exact commission rates and why I wish someone had told me this 3 years ago when I was struggling to make money fast sell. Hey, I am Bisho, as also known as CP Bisho. I run Max Marketing and I have been learning this affiliate game in the head was since December 2021. And look at, I am not going to pretend I have got it all figured out. I am 22 still in university and I have been failed more than I can count. But that's exactly why this video matters, because I learned this lesson by wasting months promoting the wrong products. In this video, you are going to learn why boring products actually outperform exactly ons and their psychology behind this. 5 specific boring products categories with real commission data and the conversion rate difference between boring and sexy product. How to find those products and start promoting them today. No hype, no overnight promise, just what I have been actually tested and what the data shows. And if you are serious about building the real affiliate income, hit the subscribe button and I share honest stories every week, the wins, the losers, all of it. Alright, let's talk about boring products. So when I first started affiliate marketing, I did what everyone does. I looked at the products I personally threw out were cool gaming keywords, wireless earbuds, smart watches, drone cameras, and you know what happened? Almost nothing. And get clicks, but barely any sales. My conversion rate was maybe 1.1 to 2% on a good day. Then the one day I was researching ergonomic officer boring right, and I noticed something weird. The affiliate programs were paying 50 to 150 bucks per sale, way more than the 50 to 30 bucks I was generating from tech gadgets, and that's when I checked. Here's what I learned: boring products sell urgent potential problem, existing problem solved when someone's back hurts from stealing all day. They're not browsing for fun. They need a solution now. They're ready to buy, but when someone looking at the latest gaming headset, they're trying, probably just browsing. Maybe they will buy eventually, maybe not. Let me give you the data. According to research from Bimart Institute, problem-solving products have conversion rate 3 to 4 times higher than environment or heavy products. Why? Because urgency, because pain points, because people who search best materials for lower back pain and much closer to pulling out their credit card than people searching cool tech gadget 2026. Back when I was working as a mechanic 2018-2019, we had a saying: people don't come to the shop when everything's fine. They come when something's broken and they need it fixed now. Same principle applies here. Boring products fix broken things and broken things create urgency. Urgency creates sales, and here's the beautiful part. Why fewer affiliates are promoting those products? Everyone wants to make unboxing videos. A new iPhone, almost nobody wants to tell about water, softness or ergonomic keywords. Less competition, higher urgency, better commissions. And that's the formula. Category 1. Home water treatment system. Let's start with one that surprised me most. Water filters. Water filterness revised obsession system, commission range 50 to 200 bucks per sale. Conversion rate 4 to 6% instantly highs for affiliate marketing. Why it works? People when hard water or contamination issues need solution. That is not optional. I started promoting those offer reading formulas where people were desperate for advice. They are not buying because it's fun. They are buying because their skin is irritated for their applications. They are getting damaged. Major affiliate programs: Aquasina, Water Drop, Eye Sharing, some offer recurring commission if they have filter subscriptions. The content that works: completion guide, problem-specific solution, Best water shortener for wall water. In institutional tutorials, nobody thinks water filters are sexy, but people spend 300 to 2,000 bucks on them without hesitation when they need them. Ergonomic chairs, standing desk, monitor arms, keyboard trays, for trays, commission range 30 to 150 bucks per sale, conversion rates 3 to 5%. Why it works? Remote work boom created millions of people with back pain, neck pain, waist pain. This category exploded after 2020, and it has not solved down. People are working from home permanently and cheap furniture in destroying their bodies. When someone searches best seller for lower back pain, they are not browsing, they are suffering. They want relief today to programs, Brown's Furniture, Autonomous, Flux Sport, Human Miller's Airplane Network. The golden content angle target specific pain points based standing desk for people under 5.3. Chairs for pain, monitor arms for dual screens, get aesthetic boring, yes. Profitable, absolutely. Security camera, smart looks, arm systems, doorbell cameras. Commission range 50 to 300 bucks per sale, same offer recurring. Conversion rate 3.4%. Why it works? Safety is non-negotiable. Here is a powerful motivator. People don't buy security system for fun. They buy from the after backend, the nearby, or when moving a new place, or when they have kids. And here's the kicker. Many of those programs offer recurring commissions. Ring, Simplify, ADT, some pay for you monthly as long as the customer keeps their subscription. The quantity approach address specific scenarios, best apartment security system for renters, no installation, outdoor cameras for rural properties, smart looks that work with Airbnb. People will spend 500 bucks on security without blinking because place of mind is not boring when it's your family. Mainstays, pillows, twisted blankets, white noise machines, sleep trackers, commission range 20 to 50 bucks for accessories conversion rates 2.4%. Why it works? On third, for adults have sleep problems. That's a massive disparate markets when people with isnoma or surrounding pain is not casually shopping. That's exhausted. They try to everything and ready to invest. Most affiliate programs are legendary. Pyrrole, Stevita, Helix, Nectrix, so free and 150 bucks per sale. But don't ignore accessories, pillows, cooling shades, blankets, fans. People boring the sleep system well buy multiple products, quantity angles, bait matrix for steppers with solution pain, cooling solution for hot sleepers, wizard blankets for anxiety boring tropic, baby bird, insomniacs trying those sources at 12 a.m. and credit card ready, not fancy impressions machines, not viral TikTok gadgets. I'm talking water heaters, garbage disposals, range, hoods, water leak, distance, quality checker, commission range 30 to 150 per sale, conversion rate 3 to 5%. Why it works? This breaks, and when they break, people need replacement immediately. When someone garbage disposal dies, they are not competition shopping for a fun. They need a new install that works. Amazon Accessories works for this, but also check out the programs for home disposal lawyers and manufacturer sites like in Shirk, Accelerator or Remain. The magic content replacement guides how to choose a real garbage disposal replacement. Best taglines water heater for same small homes. Water-test range hoods for apartments that are not impulse purchases, they are necessity purchases. Big difference? Look at the what those categories have in common. They solve urgent problems, they are not when-based. People activity searches for solutions, highest buyer intent, higher place point, higher commission, competition from other affiliates. It's not theory, that's the products that changed my income from unconscious to predictable. Here's how I found new boring product opportunities. Step 1. Go to Reddit, Quora, home improvement formulas, look for pain points, searches pieces like I need help with my product broke and I need this. What's that a best solution for? Step 2. Check out if there are affiliate programs. Amazon Affiliate is always an option, but look for decided programs, they actually pay more. Step 3. Check keywords density, tools like Ubersuggest or Ahrefs. If you win keywords under 30 difficulty. Step 4. Look at existing content, it's it then. Generic or outdated. That's your opportunity. Use this exact method to find the water treatment niche, people were asking disparate questions. Existing articles were garbage, and affiliate programs were paying well. Once you find a boring product category, create a problem-specific content. Don't just write 10 best water filters. Write the best water filters for removing, ignoring from the well water, and genuine value. Test product if possible. Show the real photos. Share actual experience. Target bottom or funnel keywords. People searching best class specific problem are ready to buy. Update regularly. Boring products still have new models and improvements. Keep content fresh, and that is not glamorous work, but it's a profitable work. Look, I know that it's not the sexiest affiliate advice on you have ever heard. Nobody going to boring ad the plenty about their water shortener review blog. But if you know that, know what? I will take the consistent 3 to 5 months promoting boring products over inconsistent 5 months promoting biggest everyone else is chasing. Here's what I wish someone I hate told me in 2022. When I was filtering ads, CPA offers, and struggling to make affiliate sales, stop trying to promote what's existing to you. Promote what's the urgent and your audience. What I launched my World CPA project in 2023, I felt it because it was boring what I thought I was cool, not what people actually needed. That lesson cost me months of work. Don't make the same mistake. Your action step, pick on boring category, frames this video, research specific pain points. Is that category, find 3 to 5 affiliate programs, create fast pieces of content this week, start small. Test it, see what converts. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most boring products you have been buzzed that actually solve the real problem? Drop your comments. Let's build the list or hidden opportunities together. If you found this video, please hit the like button, and if tells YouTube on the show this to more people who need honest affiliate advice. And if you want more real studies, no hype, no BS, subscribe. I'm here week sharing what actually works, including the steps that don't. I am Rishit Rai, founder of Maximum Marketing, and I will see you in the next on. Now, go find your boring goldmine. The competition too busy chasing shiny object to notice. Thanks for watching. Bye.